BPI Trade tutorial, how to top up in BPI Trade from BPI Express Online account. And if you're new to this channel and you want more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. From my previous video, pinakita ko kung paano mag-register sa BPI Trade. Naka-receive na ako ng email noon and then nag-login ako sa BPI Trade. And after ko mag-login sa BPI Trade, ito na yung itsura niya. Meron ditong tabs like the main tab. Makikita mo agad yung current standing ng market index. Kung mapapansin nyo, medyo bumaba tayo today. Meron ding charts dito. Depende kung ano yung itatype mo for SMC. That's San Miguel Corporation. Ito siya. For Ali, that's Ayala Land. Ito siya. Yung mga code na to, magiging familiar kayo as you invest or as you use this BPI Trade para mag-invest sa stock market. Meron ding research tab dito. Pwede nyong i-type dito yung stock code na gusto nyong malaman yung research. So, like that. And then for codes, ito yung pricing niya. For trading, right now, closed yung market. Kung sakaling bibili ako ngayon, let's say, and enter the quantity here, hindi agad ito mag-reflect. Instead, ma-add lang to sa queue. Tomorrow ulit mag-open. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Mag-reflect pa to bukas pag nag-open na yung stock market or yung stock trading. For analytics, ito siya. Ito yung mga stock code and ano yung nangyari, previews, open, high, low, close, volume, and so on. For now, this is just an overview. As you go through this video series, matadaanan din natin. So for now, I'll go back to main and then click account info. Ang purpose ng video na to is mag-fund dito sa BPI Trade. And by the way, as soon as ma-open mo yung BPI Trade account mo, mas maganda na ma-top up or ma-fundan mo na yung account mo. The reason for that is may maintaining balance kasi ang BPI Trade. That's 500. Kapag nag-go below ka that maintaining balance, may penalty na 250 pesos. Yung details na to is nasa email siya nung kinonfirm yung pagkaka-set up ng BPI trading account mo. So, under main, click account info and profile. And ang kailangan ko dito is yung settlement account. So, I'll highlight this and copy. Punta ako sa notepad ko and paste ko dito. Tanggalin ko lang to. So, tinanggal ko lang yung mga dash. So, ito na yung account ko. So, I'll copy this. And then, I'll go back to my browser and open a new tab. I'll go to online.bpi.com.ph. Mas magandang may online account ka na sa BPI para makapag-transfer ka ng money from your BPI account to BPI Trade Online. Kung wala ka pang BPI Express Online account, click this Register Now button. By the way, aside sa pag-transfer ng money online from your BPI Express Online account to BPI Trade, meron pang ibang option para makapag-fund sa BPI Trade. Pwedeng over-the-counter or pwede through ATM. Pero there's another or additional process para magawa yung ATM transfer. So let's go back to this one. I'll transfer from my BPI Online account to BPI Trade account. So I'll log in and click this login button. I'll go to my accounts. Ito yung mga old accounts ko with BPI. Wala pa dito yung BPI Trade account ko. So, I'll go to transfer money. I-check natin kung ano mangyayari kapag in-attempt natin na mag-transfer sa BPI Trade account nang hindi pa siya ina-enroll. So, I'll pick one of my savings account. And the amount here. By the way, mag-reflect ang pag-transfer around 2 days pa kasi it's already 10:02 p.m. Alam ko may cut-off sila na 10 p.m. Kung nag-transfer ka before 10 p.m., pwede siya mag-reflect bukas. Pero kung nag-transfer ka after 10 p.m. or holiday or weekends, normally mag-transfer pa siya or mag-reflect pa siya sa BPI Trade account mo after 2 business days. So, I'll transfer to third party. And then enter the account number here. Obviously, wala pa ako na-enroll na account dito sa online account ko with BPI. So I'll enter here this settlement account number. So bawal mag-right click. So I'll hit Control V. So I'll copy this and hit Control V. So transfer to unenrolled this, and this is just optional pero mas magandang lagyan mo na rin ng details. There, and click next. So nagkaroon nga ako ng error. We are unable to process this transaction using your selected destination account. To proceed with your transaction, please update this account via manage my account. So I'll click this. So yes, this is still my active phone number. So click yes, send me the code. So after I enter your OTP, click submit. So ito yung mga luma kong BPI deposit account. After ko i-click yung manage my accounts and i-enter yung OTP kanina, nagpakita dito yung BPI Trade settlement account ko automatically, which is good. And by default, ang name niya is savings account. So I'll check this. I'll click save. By the way, ang instruction talaga sa FAQ nila is enroll muna yung settlement account. Pero, nagkataon kasi nung nag-attempt ako mag-transfer kanina, may binigay silang ibang option, which is manage account. So, tinake advantage ko na. Saving changes. Changes successfully saved. Now, go to my accounts. And, nandito na siya. Akala ko hindi siya magpapakita kasi nga ang sabi sa instruction, i-enroll mo na yung account. Pero feeling ko ang swerte lang na hindi na kailangan gawin yon. Manage my accounts lang, pwede na. Disclaimer lang, kung sakaling sa end nyo hindi mag-work through manage my account, i-enroll nyo na lang yung settlement account sa BPI Express Online account nyo. Meron kaming video on how to enroll BPI account. You may check the link sa description sa baba, or you may pause this video and click this I button. So, going back, gusto ko lang makasiguro na nandito na talaga yung settlement account ko sa Express Online account. To do that, i-refresh ko lang lahat. So, better yet, mag-log out ako and mag-log in ulit. So, log out tayo and re-log in here. Well, surprisingly, nagpakita siya. I hope this time retain siya. So, nandito pa rin siya. Since nag-reflect na siya as savings account dito sa BPI Online account ko, mag-transfer na ako ng fund ko from my BPI deposit account to BPI Trade account. So, I'll click this transfer money. And for step 1, I'll pick the deposit account na panggagalingan ng pera. Yung source account or dito sa transfer from na section, mga deposit accounts ko lang yung andito sa list, itong 5. While yung settlement account, wala. Possible because hindi ka pwedeng mag-transfer funds from a BPI Trade settlement account kapag gamit mo is itong BPI Express Online na platform. So, continue tayo. For amount, mag-transfer ako ng 5,000 pesos sa BPI Trade. So, dito sa transfer to na section, nagpakita yung BPI Trade settlement account ko. Ito siya, yung savings account. So, I'll pick this. So, double check ko lang, nag-match naman tong account number na to dito sa BPI Trade settlement number ko. So, okay tayo dito. So, I'll go back to BPI Online. For frequency, you have options here. It's either gusto nyo mag-reflect na as in right now, it's now, one time, select the transfer date here. Kung gusto nyo monthly, every month mag-transfer ka ng ganitong amount from this account to BPI Trade account, or pwedeng quarterly din. For this tutorial or for this video, I'll pick now. And then for notes, this is just optional. Pero lagyan ko na rin ng details. So, it's Feb 4, 2020. For what? This is my first transfer to BPI Trade. And click next. confirm these details. If everything is correct, click confirm. Otherwise, click this edit button. So, tama naman siya. I'll click the confirm button. And here's the confirmation na successful na yung pag-transfer natin. Ito yung confirmation as a reference. Importante na so bawal i-right click. Importante na i-take note or i-save tong confirmation number just in case magkaroon ng aberya sa pag-transfer or sa transaction mo online. And if I'll go to my accounts, may laman na yung savings account ko worth 5,000 pesos. But for BPI Trade account, wala pa akong makikita ritong amount. Dito sa trading tab, 0 pa lang to, walang cash value. Ibig sabihin, wala pa akong buying power to buy any stocks here. So after 2 days, I checked my BPI Trade account. I went to trading tab, and here, sa cash, meron ng amount siya, which means may buying power na ako to buy stocks, depende kung reach siya ng 5,000. If not, I need to make another deposit. Free lang naman siya, walang charges, para makabili ako ng stocks through BPI Trade. And that's it. Sana nakatulong tong video na to. Please let us know by clicking sa like button. And kung may mga questions din kayo about BPI Trade or suggestions or any ideas about BPI Trade that you can share to anyone, please provide a comment below. You may also check these videos. I hope na makatulong to sa inyo, especially if you want to grow your money online. And this is Lou from Invest Library. We invest, we share, you decide. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.